back to my channel. It's your girl RealityWhit, and I'm back with another video. I'm sorry if you keep seeing me doing googly eyes. People keep staring at me because I'm talking to my phone in my car, but they never know. I could be on FaceTime but the phone is sideways. But anyways, for today's video, I'm going to be doing a mini mukbang. I'm very excited for this video because I'm going to be eating my favorite food, which you can see by the title is going to be Chipotle. And I'm also excited because they have this new bowl that came out. It's like a keto friendly bowl. It's called cauliflower rice bowl or whatever. And I'm like, I was doing keto. I'm not gonna lie, the keto is kind of like here and there. It's really hard, but I haven't been here in a minute and it correlates to keto, and I was like, I want to try it. It is extra money, but I'm just like, I just want to see what's the hype about. Everybody keeps buying it and talking about it, and I've seen people make videos on it. I was just like, I want to go try it out myself and see how it is. So I'm about to go into Chipotle right now and get my order, and I'm gonna sit in the car and eat and talk to you guys. So I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. My extra ass literally moved away from where I was standing because I don't know, there's too many people like staring at me, but whatever. But anyways, I'm gonna show y'all the bowl. I'm excited. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of smells different, but you never know. But anyways, this is the bowl. I'm gonna open it for y'all. They give you a good amount. Oh shit, I almost fell. This is the bowl. I feel like it looks mad dark over here. I don't have a ring light, unfortunately. So y'all just gonna have to deal with what y'all say. So I got the cauliflower rice. I got steak. I don't get beans. I don't like the beans. I got steak, pico de gallo, hot salsa, sour cream cheese, lettuce. So let's see how it tastes. I'm trying to get the cauliflower rice. I hope it's good, y'all, because my bowls be good. I don't want it to be nasty because of the cauliflower rice. So it smells like cauliflower. I don't know, but the pico de gallo be hidden, bro. I can't really taste the cauliflower. Let me like try to search for it. And I'm not gonna lie, it has like juice, probably from the pico de gallo. Yeah, it's not bad. I usually get white rice, but I could definitely see myself switching over. Y'all, it's not bad. I don't know if the chef was doing what they're supposed to do today, but the bowl is hitting. It was good, y'all. It was good. If you get in a bowl, get my bowl. If you get my bowl, let me know. Also, comment down below what do you get on your bowl. If you even like Chipotle. Some people hate it. Some people love it. Some people like Qdoba. Honestly, I used to love Qdoba, but I found Chipotle. I like Chipotle better, so. I wish I could like get a brighter light of everything, but I'm recording on my phone. I have my camera, but I don't feel like setting it up right now because I bought the little thing for the car mount. Should I set it up? I won't be able to see myself. That's the thing. I bought this little thing to mount it on my car and then like do all that extra stuff, but I didn't feel like it because I wasn't gonna do nothing. Honestly, just eating. It's not like I'm driving. I could definitely see myself switching over to this. I don't see the issue because everything's pretty on point and good. And it's better than eating rice because rice is carbs and stuff. So like people that work out and stuff, you could eat this. I basically got the same thing as my normal bowls, except I would have gotten white rice. At this point, if you guys hear me mess up in my videos, just pretend you didn't hear that, because I don't be knowing how to speak English. Like, I don't know. I'm multilingual. I speak English, I speak Creole, and I speak a little bit of Spanish, and I know here and there of French. So if you like if you're talking to me and my friends, like, you're gonna see me switch to another language in like 0.5 seconds. Like, I can't stay with one thing, and that's a bad habit, because when I talk to other people, like older people, professional people, I be wanting to switch, and I can't do that. And sometimes I forget how to say the words in English, and I was born here, but it's just like I do it so much. Like, if I'm saying a sentence, I'd be like, I like the car. I'll be like, I like machine, and that's how you say car in Creole. And it's just like, it's a bad habit. Like, I'll literally be talking in English and then switch to Creole and then back to English. It's really a bad habit. And I do it with my friends, and we do it with each other, and it's just like, if you see that I can't talk, it's just like I have too many languages in my head. So I should have bought something to drink. I have water. Never mind. Get your water in. Yeah. This is spicy. I used to, fun fact, I used to get the little Tabasco and put it on my bowl, but since COVID, they like took it away from the stuff and you can't touch it or whatever. You have to ask for it, but I like to have it near me and shake it on as I'm eating or whatever. But you can't do that. So now, someone made me try the red hot salsa on top of it. Y'all can't even see what I'm eating. Someone made me try the red hot salsa. Oh my god, it's way more spicier and it has flavor. So it's like 10 out of 10. Like, if you want hot sauce on your food, get the red hot. It's really good. But what I'm about to say, y'all, no one be commenting under my videos. I know I only got like 150 something subscribers, but still, like, text, I will answer you back. Like, give me feedback, let me know how I'm doing, give me video suggestions. I don't want to just be making videos. I said I was gonna just make videos, but I don't want to be making videos that people are not gonna want to watch or people don't find interesting, because nobody wants to be like, if you subscribe to me because you like my hauls, then tell me like, oh, do more hauls. If you subscribe to me because you like mukbangs, I don't know, do more mukbangs. You know what I'm saying? I don't mind. I love to talk. I want to do like girl talks and like advice videos and stuff like that. I want to sit down and talk with you guys, but I don't want to make it and put effort into something and know that no one's gonna be looking or paying attention or really care for it. You know, you don't want to make videos like that, especially like I'm new to doing YouTube videos, so you don't want to like sit there giving your all and nobody really gives a fuck. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know, let me know what y'all want to see, what y'all like, what y'all want more of. As I said, like, I have stuff that I want to do, but I don't just want to like do whatever and not keep y'all like and my thoughts when I'm like making the videos and stuff. Because doing YouTube is low-key kind of hard, because you gotta make sure you got all your videos back to back. Like, I watched so many videos on them saying like you cannot start YouTube and have one video. Like, and I did this myself too. Like, there was like people be ready to start YouTube and y'all be like, subscribe, and you have no videos and you don't post until 5 months, and then you come back and you post 5 months later, and then 5 months later, and then 5 months later. Like, you're not gonna get nowhere. So I took that into consideration. There was like, plan out your videos. So I literally sat down and like got a whole bunch of lists and was like, I'm gonna post this, and next week I'm gonna post this, in the middle of the week I'm gonna record this so that I can post it this day. Like, I actually like sat down and thought it through, because if you don't do that, you're gonna see yourself slipping, which is what happened to me. So if you really want to take like YouTube seriously, you gotta start with posting on time, on a schedule and stuff though. Because like, I didn't post last week is because I was out of state, but other than that, I've posted every single day since the new year has started. And I said every single day, every single week since the new year has started. And I'm so proud of myself for that, because it was a goal that I had for this year. Because last year I started and I stopped. And I know people might think like, girl, you're not even that big. And I'm like, girl, I think I'm not even that big, but I've noticed progress. Like, it's something small, but it's still there. Like, the more that I post, with every video that I've posted, I've gained on average 2 to 5 subscribers each video. And y'all can follow that by like, I make sure I put it in my description box, so make sure y'all be reading those. But I put in my description box to be like, this is my sub count, this is where I want to be. And every video you're gonna see that it changes, because with every video you get new viewers, you get a new audience, or you get the old audience but they haven't subscribed yet and now they're subscribing. Like, you want them to keep coming back. So if you post January and you get 30 subscribers and you don't post till March, first of all, those 30 subscribers might leave or they might stay, but best believe it's not gonna grow, because they're gonna be like, yo, this video was good but you disappeared. Like, I want to be somewhere where the person is consistent, not like going and leaving, you know what I'm saying? But long story short, that's why I want video ideas, because I want to make content that people would like to watch, and even me would like to watch. So I don't want to post something that y'all don't like, or like even me, like, would I watch this? You know, that's what I ask myself. Like, even this video, like, it's whatever, because I'm doing like the mukbang or whatever, but some people might not like it because smacking and stuff, but I don't care. I like watching mukbang because I love food. But yeah. So guys, I am coming to an end to this video. I'm getting full. So why do I have my mask on? So as I said, I would recommend this. It was really good. It has flavor. It doesn't taste like cauliflower. I mean, it slightly does, but it's not bad. Like, if you just want cauliflower, like, just get it. It's not like, ooh, I can taste vegetables. No, I don't think Chipotle would have ever done that. Like, I promise you, coming from me, like, it doesn't taste like some nasty vegetable. Like, they put flavor in it. They make it just like the rice, I think, because it's like cauliflower, lime rice, or whatever, something like that. What is in my hair? Oof, excuse me. But yeah, like I was saying, like, it's really good, and I would 100% recommend it. And also, like I was saying, make sure y'all comment down below. Let me know, again, what do you want me to post? Y'all might not answer, but I mean, that's fine. I feel you, whatever. But I would really appreciate if you guys actually did comment. But if you don't, that's cool, whatever. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my socials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.